Subscribe our channel for next video. Thank you. Hi guys, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you skin whitening remedy at home, and it gives you permanent skin whitening. From first use, it's very effective result. It gives you spotless and glowing skin without any side effect, with just 3 simple ingredients. And this is super safe to use every day. So first thing guys, we need a clean mixing bowl and add 2 tablespoons of wheat flour, and we need 1 lemon fresh juice, 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt, and mix it very well. So we mix it very well. I put in a clean bowl. I squeeze this lemon. And also this one. And this is very effective and safe to use every day. So we add plain yogurt. And mix it very well. And we get this cream paste. Apply to your skin and that has no makeup or dust. Apply it in your face and your hand and any body parts that you want to whiten and you want to turn that fair and glowing and spotless skin. Apply a generous amount guys and leave it to dry out completely. Wash it to lukewarm water and wash it to cold to close the pores. So I mix it very well. Before I apply in my hand. You can apply also in your face, any body parts that you wanted to whiten. This is very safe and effective to whiten permanently your skin. So this is ready. As you see in difference in your first apply, you will be amazed. It's so effective to whiten the skin. So guys, thanks for watching my video.